The war is against Hezbollah. Why are Lebanon's residential areas being bombarded? And if Israel makes its over distance, why did it lead to a health agreement with Trump? Today, we will talk about the ceasefire deals that accepts on paper what in recently has become the primary reason behind the closure of the Strait of Hormuz and skyrocketing crude oil prices. Now, the big question is what will happen to this deal over the next 16 days? This will already be discussed by Israel. The critical link behind this is that few days ago, Iran once again closed the Strait of Hormuz. Iran is essentially using Hezbollah as diplomatic leverage to exact purpose. On the other hand, Israel maintains that its war is with Hezbollah, not Lebanon. But this region is the gargling question. If the war is only against Hezbollah, why are civilian areas being continuously targeted? Over 4,000 Lebanese people have been killed in this Israeli strike so far. As long as Israel continues this bombardment of Lebanon's sitting Hezbollah moving forward with this deal seems highly unlikely. 2 days ago, Benjamin Netanyahu clearly stated in his speech, "We will have no stand ultimated to protest on our nation." Meanwhile, a massive protest gave escapes. People in the US believe that Trump does whatever Israel tell him to do, while people in Israel thinking Netanyahu operates purpose on Trump's, including what the truth is both. Assumption was wrong. Netanyahu has outright rejected US President Donald Trump's claim that Israel act under this direction. He made it clear that Israel will make distance because Israel on its own nation's interesting, not according to the US. This clash of stance is precisely why a major agreement broken out between Benjamin Netanyahu and Trump during the deal negotiation. The current ground reality is that ceasefire is being continuously violated. Whenever Israel attacked Lebanon, Iran use it as a pretext. Iran as a pretext is shut down the Strait of Hormuz. This coracle of this critical maritime route forces transit cargo ships to grounding health, targeting massive supplying claims delivered. You probably witnessed a smaller pattern during the early day of this war. Moving forward, this situation will remain violated and there will be protest under Israel fully agree to peace accorded. If talk take place in the Switzerland, it will be mark the first real step today toward a stable ceasefire. I will continue to bring you all the major updates as the story develops for us and the global economics. It is visual that is the Strait of Hormuz remaining open so that oil price stay stable and after a thank you so much.